Hi guys, wish you all a happy Onam. And why I am shooting this video now and that too in a swing is because swing is the specialty of Onam. Then I dedicate this particular video to my friends who belong to Sachin sir's class, because morning some people had a confusion, especially my friends from northeast, west, etc., that what is the significance of Onam. See, Onam is celebrated by Malayalis or Keralites, understood. But it's a secular festival, like any religion people can celebrate it. And the most important highlight of this Onam is we put floral designs. Like if you have observed my status systematically, you guys might have seen floral designs put. 10 days we put, Attam till Tiruvonam. Okay, why we are doing this is to welcome the king, Mahabali. And there's a myth connected with celebrating this Onam. That's a myth, is a story. Like there was a demon king or Asuran known as Mahabali during a golden era or during long before, but Mahabali, that is a demon king or Asura, was there. But the peculiarity was that when he used to rule that time, all were living a prosperous life. He was too generous, and although he was a demon or Asuran, all were leading a good life. But now what happened is some of the goddess got jealous of this. They thought his kingdom would become better than that of the heaven or Sorga Rajyam. Understood? Then what they decided, the gods went to appeal before Lord Vishnu that this is happening, we don't like this. Somehow we have to make him go down as far as rule is concerned regarding goddess. That is, he should not excel goddess. So that time what they did was, Vishnu granted their wishes, and what they happened was Vishnu took the avataram of Vamana and went and visited Mahabali the king. That time Mahabali understood it was Vamanan was Vishnu, the god Vishnu, and Vamanan asked him, Vamanan means in a Brahmin form, Vishnu went in disguise and asked him, he was a poor Brahmin and he needed some land, and he asked Mahabali 3 pieces of land. Then what he did was, first step when he measured the Vamanan or Mahavishnu, he grew into a big gigantic figure. Vishnu grew into a big gigantic figure, and he already measured 2 feet with that gigantic figure. Then there is no piece of land to be measured. Then Mahabali told, realizing that this is Lord Vishnu who came in disguise, Mahabali told, bowed his head like this and asked him to stamp on his head and consider it as a 3rd piece of land. And thereafter, because of that stamping, Vishnu asks him to go to become the king of Padala or hell. And why we are celebrating this Onam is, that time Vishnu agrees with the request of Mahabali that though now I am going down because you are stamping on my head, but regularly once in a year I will come to visit my earlier Prajas or earlier citizens, and in that contest we are celebrating what? This Onam festival. That is one of the reasons, like that Mahabali, we are believing that Mahabali is coming to visit all of us to see our welfare, because he was given the task of hell now due to the god, the Indra and other gods' pressure, understood? So that is one significance. The second reason is, it is soon after monsoon comes the harvest season for Kerala. So this is considered as a harvest festival of Kerala. So that is regarding the significance of Onam, why we are celebrating this. Hope you guys understood it. Happy Onam. Thank you.